So my prices are very competitive. You know, I have definitely done my research about the pricing in my community. And I don't feel like I am the most expensive, and I don't feel like I'm the cheapest. I feel like I'm somewhere in the middle, but I also provide the best care. But it's excellent quality care that I provide at that middle range price, you know? So I don't sacrifice and cut corners to offer cheaper pricing and then, you know, have a bad relationship with the patient or give a patient the results they weren't looking for, because again, this is not a cheap procedure. So when you're spending this kind of money, you want to feel good about, you know, where you're spending the money. You want to feel good about the results you're getting. And again, this is a procedure. Once it's done, we're tied into these patients, because if there's a problem, they have to come to see us to fix it. And nobody wants to get a procedure done and then say, I never want to go back there again.
Right.
You know, you want to feel comfortable about, you know, I have a problem, I have to call, and we're here to answer those calls from day one and throughout the life and the extent of, you know, this procedure that stays in your mouth. People go out, they buy cars, purses, you know, and I have had patients in my chair with a $7,000 Louis bag, and they, you know, are complaining about my prices. You know, a Louis bag doesn't replace your ability to eat and chew. It doesn't allow you to smile. Internally, it does. Externally, it's not going to change your appearance. What I'm offering will. When people say, you know, what should it cost to replace all of your teeth? Is it $10,000, $20,000, $30,000? There should be no price on that. Be able to chew again, to smile, to have teeth that probably look better than the original set you had. There's some people out there that have nice teeth and they spend just as much to get crowns and veneers just to look pretty. When we're fixing patients who have infected teeth, periodontal disease, missing multiple teeth, you know, bone loss issues, and we're correcting all of that, you know, for the same price as getting crowns,